So hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos into this aesthetic dreamy effect using Lightroom mobile. So first you need to download Lightroom mobile from your Play Store. So first go and download it from your Play Store and then just open it. So here are the images in my mobile. So I just blur it for my personal convenience. So just select a picture from here. I'm just selecting the picture. So this is a picture I just selected now. So I'm just going to edit this into that dreamy effect. First of all we just need to do is click on this edit tool and click on light. First we're going to adjust the light. Here it has more settings like exposure, contrast, highlights. I'm just minusing the exposure so that its brightness would be a little down. So next I'm going to increase the contrast a little only, not that much, so a little. And then we need to increase the highlights for more definitive look. So I'm increasing into a 51. Okay. In shadows we need to increase the shadows too. Shadows like 40 or 40 is enough. So whites also we need to increase up to 50 so that we can get a more definitive amount of light in this image, which could make the effect more. So blacks we don't need to increase it, we just need to decrease it to get a more white effect. So next we are going to jump into color settings, and here we are going to minus the temp to warm so that we can get the cool temperature. And then tint also to be minus to 20 level. So I just went to 22. And then vibrance we need to make it positive, so a 10 to 15 level is enough for it. And saturation there's no need, but I'm just making it a little good. Yeah, so I increase a little. Then we are going to effects. Here texture clarity dehaze, we need to minus the texture to get to reduce its clarity first of all. So minusing the texture for minus 20 to 25. Yeah, I'm giving it a 24. So clarity, then we need to minus. Clarity is the main thing in this image editing because it would give the dreamy effect like you can see in the screen. So then like dehaze to minus 30. Now you can see already 75% of the image has been edited now. So let's jump on the grain, and if you increase the grain to a definitive amount, automatically the size and the roughness will be applied, so no need of changing it. I'm just giving the amount of 10. So that's all, we got the picture. So this is how we can edit the dreamy effect. And now I'm just going to save this image by clicking on the 3 dots from the upper and click on save copy to device. Now my photo is being exporting and we have the pop-up like a copy has been downloaded. So that's all friends, hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, so hit the like and click on the subscribe button for me. Thank you.